yeah, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I apply my wig, and I just showed you how I straightened it basically. A few people asked me about this hair. I don't have details on the exact hair because I am basically testing out hair from a vendor because I would like to sell hair in the future. So it's not from anywhere that you can buy at the moment, but it was 613 hair, 613 blonde hair, so you can buy a 613 blonde hair from anywhere. And basically what I did was I dyed the root ash blonde. I can't remember the name of the ash blonde dye I used, but I'll leave it linked down below. And then I used like the water, like, is it water bath method? That water bath method thing. And I basically just mixed these three Adore colours. So I used the colours number 48 honey brown, number 46 spiced amber, and number 58 cinnamon, and I just mixed it together. Like, I didn't even know how it was going to turn out, so this was kind of like a whirl. It was like a little bit of a, you know, a little bit of a little, what do you call it? It's a little bit of a concoction, that's it. So yeah, I kind of like the colour. So yeah, it's really, really simple to do. It was basic as hell. But if you do want to see a video, I might do another one in the future of me like dyeing the hair and all that type of stuff. But yeah, really hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. This isn't like a tutorial, this is just like a watch me transform video because I'm not really feeling that well today, so I wasn't really feeling, you know, to be chatting. But I thought it'd be nice for you guys to just watch me because not all the time I'm going to be hearing my voice, you know. So yeah, I hope you enjoy, guys, and I'll see you in the next clip. Bye.
And I will never sell my soul, but you could buy the lease. And don't believe in make believe, just make your ends meet. Say a weekend and a week and never stress a thing. And we gon' go another day when we don't disagree. And when the sun shining, regardless if you do believe. Hey, celebrate in the morning when I see your face. Need you more when you go, I need you more every day. Keep a foot on the brake in case I lose all control. Yeah, so baby don't lose control. I'm focused on you, baby. Lately you've been in my aim. I've been reaching out for you and still they're so far away. Looking through the smoke in the mirror. Crazy how I see you so clear. Crazy how I see you so clear. And how you make me smile. And how you make me smile, oh yeah. And how you make me smile, oh baby, how you make me smile. Smile more when I see you. Smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone. Oh no.